What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Res Music Thunder! Today we're taking a look at the MPK Mini Play keyboard. Now you're going to hear a lot of bad things that I'm going to explain to you guys, in my opinion, why they are bad about this keyboard, the MPK Mini Play. Alright, so the first bad thing, there's only two bad things wrong with this keyboard, I believe. The first bad thing is the fact that the keys are touch sensitive. So if you press down like that, it's not gonna work. You really have to press down. And I don't like that they make the keys touch sensitive because you really have to press down to make sure they work. And small little keyboards like this one, the MPK Mini Play, you don't want to break them, and I don't understand why they do that. I think that whole thing that keyboard companies do, making the keys touch sensitive, really sucks, and I think it's a stupid idea because you don't want to break something like mini like this, really sucks. Other than that, the keys are fine. Everything about the keys is good. It's just the fact that they made it touch sensitive. Let's go over a good thing now. The sounds are pretty damn good. We're gonna go over like maybe 2 or 3 of the sounds, possibly 4. Let's go ahead and check out one of the other sounds. Here's this one. There's one of the sounds. Let's go over another one. Let's check this one out. Really nice sound. Let's go over another sound. Let's try this one. Let's go over one more sound. Let's try to find a good one. Let's see here. Really, really nice. I love the sounds. Let's go over some drum kits. Now, I'm not a professional drum kit player on the keyboard, so I'm sorry if it kind of sucks. If you want to go over the drum kits, you're going to have to hit drums on the side over here. There's keys and drums. You're going to have to hit the drums part. And go ahead and play a beat. This is the first drum effect. Let's go ahead and check it out. guys, we're gonna go over a few of these. Try to get some good sound effects out of the drums. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. It's a good one. Here's jazz. Here's where it gets awesome. So it comes with a little bit of sound effects, not just drums. The end of the drum selection, here is the sound effects. Siren. Laugh. Little Tinkerbell wand action right there. Really, really cool. Anyway, all in all, this keyboard is decent. It's not the best keyboard in the world. I would say if you're looking for something for your children to play with, over like 12, I believe, this will be it. The MPK Mini Play. If you're looking for something professional, something that you want to play at a gig or a stadium, look somewhere else, because this is not that type of keyboard. This is something that you could use to practice, or have your kids or your nephews or something like that to play. We'll see you guys next time, hopefully with another video of Red Music Thunder. Peace.